Today's topic is, what is DevOps ecosystem? And we will study it in detail. DevOps ecosystem. The DevOps ecosystem is dynamic blends of tools, practices and cultural philosophies designed to bridge the gap between development and operations teams. It revolves around automation, collaboration and continuous integration, delivery and monitoring to enhance the efficiency, scalability, and reliability of software delivery. Initial knowledge of DevOps ecosystem. DevOps is a cultural and technical movement bridging the gap between development and operations. Focuses on collaboration, automation, continuous delivery, and quick feedback. The ecosystem consists of tools, practices, and principles that support this integration. It bridges the gap between development and operations teams to work together for faster and efficient delivery. It uses a set of tools and automated processes for coding, building, testing, deploying, and monitoring software continuously. Automating software delivery. The CICD workflow. This image illustrates a CICD, continuous integration, continuous delivery, pipeline, an automated workflow for software development. The process starts when a developer writes code, which is then compiled into a functional application during the build stage. Next, the application undergoes automated tests to ensure it is free of errors and meets quality standards. Finally, if the tests pass, the code is automatically released in the deploy stage and its performance is tracked in the monitor phase. Tool chain landscape, planning and collaboration, Jira, Confluence, GitHub projects. Source code management, Git, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. CICD, Jenkins, GitLab C, Circle CI, Azure DevOps, Argo CD. Infrastructure as code, Terraform, Pulumi, Ansible. Monitoring and observability, Prometheus, Grafana, Elk, Datadog. Security and compliance, DevSecOps, SonarCube, Sneak, Aqua, Trivi. Containerization and orchestration, Docker, Kubernetes, Helm. Benefits of a mature DevOps ecosystem. Faster release cycles and time to market. Improved collaboration across teams. Reduced deployment failures and MTTR. Scalability and repeatability of environments. Better security posture through integrated DevSecOps. Enhanced visibility into system performance. Before DevOps, software development faced slow releases, siloed teams, high failure rates, and error-prone manual processes with limited visibility. After adopting DevOps, organizations achieve faster and more reliable releases with improved collaboration. Failures are fewer, recovery is quicker, and processes become automated and consistent. Overall, DevOps enhances efficiency, teamwork, and visibility across the entire workflow. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for valuable content every week.